Hey everyone, welcome to the AI Island. Today's video is going to be super valuable, especially if you want to make some extra money using AI. I'm going to share 5 ChatGPT prompts that real people are using right now to earn money online in 2026. And the best part? You don't need any coding skills, you don't need any experience, you just need ChatGPT, which is completely free. Whether you are a student, a freelancer, or just someone who wants to earn a little extra on the side, these prompts will change how you think about AI. Stay until the end because prompt number 5 is the most powerful one. People are using it to build a full side hustle from scratch. Alright, let's get into it. Quick note before we start. This video uses an AI voiceover, but every idea, every prompt, and every strategy you will see today is 100% original content from the AI Island. Everything I share has been personally researched and tested. Results may vary depending on your effort and time. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is real work using smart AI tools. Okay, let's get into prompt number 1. I call this one the freelance writer prompt. Here is why this makes money. Businesses pay between $50 to $200 per blog post, and with this prompt, you can write multiple posts per day. Here is the exact prompt you copy into ChatGPT. Act as a professional freelance writer. Write a high-quality 800-word blog post about 10 healthy meal prep ideas for busy professionals for a health and wellness audience. Make it engaging, SEO-friendly, and easy to read. Use simple language and short paragraphs. Now watch what happens when I paste this into ChatGPT. See that? A full professional blog post in seconds. Now here is how you make money with this. Go to Fiverr or Upwork and create a profile offering blog writing services. Use this prompt to write articles for your clients. Charge $50 to $100 per article. With just 2 to 3 clients per day, you can earn $100 to $300 daily. See how easy that is? You give ChatGPT the topic, it writes a full professional article in seconds. You send it to the client and you get paid. This is one of the easiest ways to start earning money with AI today. All right, let's move on to prompt number 2. I call this one the email money prompt, and this one is seriously powerful. Here's why. Email copywriters charge between $300 to $1,000 per email sequence. That makes this one of the highest paid writing jobs you can do online from anywhere in the world. Here's the exact prompt you copy into ChatGPT. Act as an expert email copywriter. Write a 5-email welcome sequence for a fitness coaching business selling an online workout program. Each email should build trust, provide value, and gently encourage the reader to buy. Keep the tone friendly and conversational. Now watch this. I'm going to paste this into ChatGPT right now. Look at that, a complete 5-email sequence ready to send, generated in seconds. Now here's how you make money with this. Find small businesses on Instagram or Google that sell products but don't have a good email strategy. You can easily spot them. They post on social media but never send emails to their customers. Offer to write their email sequence. Use this prompt to create it in minutes. Then charge $200 to $500 per sequence. Email marketing is huge right now. Small businesses need good email sequences and most of them don't know how to write them. You come in, use this prompt, deliver in 24 hours, and get paid. Simple as that. All right, welcome to prompt number 3. I call this one the business ideas prompt. Now, before I share this, I want to be honest with you. There is no magic button that makes money appear, but what AI can do is help you think smarter, move faster, and find opportunities you might have missed on your own. That is exactly what this prompt does. Here is the prompt you copy into ChatGPT. Act as a startup business consultant. Give me 10 low-cost online business ideas for someone who has graphic design and social media skills and wants to build an income stream online. For each idea, explain what the business does, how to start it with zero investment, how to find the first customers, and what realistic income could look like after 3 months of consistent effort. Now watch me paste this into ChatGPT live. Look at these results, 10 different business ideas, each one with a clear starting point, a way to find customers, and realistic expectations. This is not about getting rich overnight. This is about finding the right idea for your skills and then putting in the real work to make it happen. Now, here is one interesting way people are using this prompt. Some people create listings on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy, offering a personalized business idea report as a service. The buyer sends their skills and interests. You run this prompt with their specific details, format the results into a clean PDF, and deliver it. Is it guaranteed to work? No. Does it require effort and consistency? Absolutely. But is it a legitimate service people are willing to pay for? Yes, because personalized advice is always more valuable than generic search results. The key message here is simple. AI does not replace hard work. AI helps smart, hardworking people move faster. Okay, let us keep going. Prompt number 4 is coming up next, and it is all about social media management. Welcome to prompt number 4. I call this one the social media prompt, and personally, this is one of the most practical prompts in this entire video. Here's why. Almost every small business today knows they need to be on social media, but most of them have no idea what to post, when to post, or how to grow their audience. That gap is your opportunity. Here's the exact prompt you copy into ChatGPT. Act as a social media marketing expert. Create a 30-day content calendar for a small bakery business on Instagram. Include post ideas, captions, hashtags, and the best time to post. Make the content engaging, on-brand, and designed to grow followers and drive sales. Let me paste this into ChatGPT right now and show you what happens. Look at that. A complete 30-day content plan. Post ideas, captions, hashtags, everything. Generated in seconds. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Many freelancers are using exactly this kind of AI assistance to offer social media management services to small local businesses. Think about it. Local restaurants, salons, gyms, and shops, they all need social media help, but most cannot afford big marketing agencies. You could approach them, offer to manage their social media, and use AI tools like this to help you work more efficiently. Now, I want to be completely transparent here. Building a real freelance business takes time. You need to learn how to find clients. You need to communicate professionally. You need to deliver real results, not just AI-generated content with no strategy behind it. But here is what AI does for you. It removes the blank page problem. It speeds up your workflow dramatically. It helps you serve clients better and faster. What makes this exciting is the potential for recurring work. Social media never stops. Businesses need fresh content every single month. So if you deliver good results, clients tend to stick around. Is it easy money? No. Is it a real skill you can build using AI as your assistant? Absolutely yes. All right, we have one more prompt left, and I saved the best one for last. Prompt number 5 is coming up right now. And here we are, prompt number 5. I saved this one for last because it is the most personal and powerful prompt in this entire video. I call this one the AI side hustle prompt. Here is what makes this different from everything else we covered today. All the previous prompts gave you specific skills to offer. This prompt does something different. It looks at your specific situation, your available time, your goals, your life, and helps you figure out where to start. Here is the exact prompt. Watch me type this live into ChatGPT right now. Act as a successful online entrepreneur. I want to explore side hustle options using AI tools. I have 10 hours per week available, and I want to work towards building an additional income stream online. Based on my available time, suggest the top 3 most realistic AI-assisted side hustles I could explore, starting with 0 investment. For each one, give me a step-by-step starting plan, the free tools I would need, where I could find my first potential clients, and honest, realistic expectations for someone just starting out. Now watch what ChatGPT generates. Look at this response. 3 completely different paths, each one tailored to someone with limited time and 0 budget. And here is the most important thing I want you to notice. See how ChatGPT gives honest expectations? It does not say you will make thousands of dollars in your first week. It gives you a realistic picture of what consistent effort could look like over time. That is exactly how you should think about using AI for income. Not as a shortcut, not as a magic solution, but as a powerful tool that helps you work smarter while you put in the real effort to build something genuine. Now, some people take this prompt one step further. They use their experience with these AI tools to offer guidance sessions to complete beginners. walking others through this exact process, helping them find their own starting point. Is that something you could do eventually? Maybe, but only after you have actually tried these things yourself and built real knowledge and experience. Authenticity always wins on the internet. People can tell the difference between someone who genuinely knows their stuff and someone just reading off a script. So here is my honest advice. Pick one of these 5 prompts today. Try it, learn from it, get your first result. Then come back and try the next one. Small, consistent steps beat big plans that never get started. That is the real secret to making AI work for you in 2026. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Let me do a quick recap of everything we covered today. Prompt number 1, the freelance writer prompt. Use ChatGPT to write professional blog posts and offer writing services to businesses. Prompt number 2, the email money prompt. Help small businesses with email sequences using AI as your writing assistant. Prompt number 3, the business ideas prompt. Use AI to discover and offer personalized business idea reports to others. Prompt number 4, the social media prompt. Help local businesses with their social media using AI-generated content calendars. Prompt number 5, the AI side hustle prompt. Find your own perfect starting point based on your time and goals. Now here is my final honest message to you. None of these will work if you just watch this video and do nothing. The people who actually succeed with AI are not the ones who know the most prompts. They are the ones who pick one idea and actually start. So today, right after this video, open ChatGPT and try just one of these prompts. See what it generates, experiment with it, make it your own. That single action will put you ahead of 99% of people who just watched and moved on. If you found this video genuinely helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps this channel reach more people who are trying to build something real with AI. And if you want more honest, practical AI content every single week, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Every video on the AI Island is designed to give you real value. No fluff, no empty promises, just real strategies you can actually use. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Take care.